Samsung smartphones are renowned for their exceptional video recording capabilities within the Android ecosystem. The top-tier Galaxy models offer advanced features, such as 8K recording and 4K video capture at 60 frames per second with HDR10+ support. Notably, the Galaxy S24 and several earlier Galaxy models include the Galaxy AI and Instant Slow-Mo features, which allow regular slow-motion videos to be played back. However, there is a notable limitation: Instant Slow-Mo does not currently support HDR10+ videos. Users facing this issue have had to convert HDR10+ videos to SDR before applying the AI feature, which not only diminishes the dynamic range of the original footage but also complicates the process, making it time-consuming and less efficient. Fortunately, Samsung has announced plans to resolve this issue in an upcoming software update, allowing Instant Slow-Mo to function with HDR10+ videos seamlessly. A Samsung Community Forum moderator, specializing in camera features, confirmed that this enhancement would be part of the next software update. This means that soon, Galaxy S24 users will be able to apply Instant Slow-Mo directly to HDR10+ videos without needing to convert them first. This update is anticipated to extend to other 2023 flagship models, such as the Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 5, ensuring a broader range of users benefit from the improved functionality. Instant Slow-Mo is among the standout features of Galaxy AI, providing users with the ability to create high-quality slow-motion videos with ease. The ongoing improvements highlight Samsung's commitment to enhancing user experience and maintaining its edge in the competitive smartphone market. By addressing the current limitations and integrating more robust features, Samsung continues to set a high standard for video recording capabilities in its devices. In summary, Samsung's upcoming software update promises to eliminate the need for HDR10+ to SDR conversion, thus preserving the video's dynamic range and streamlining the process of creating slow-motion videos. This advancement reflects Samsung's dedication to innovation and user satisfaction, ensuring that Galaxy phones remain at the forefront of mobile video technology.